how to buy CLUDEBot token. So this token came under the symbol of CLUDE. So before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic research. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check their community too. As you can see, they have 2,000 members there. So they have a big community. So this token is available on Mexc, and if you don't have an account on Mexc, go in the description and you will be able to find the referral link to increase an account on Mexc to under it to benefit from those. So after that, log into your account and here type in search like that, CLUDE. So this is the name of that token. And now make sure to select the pair that have USDT and in the spot. So after that, click on it and wait a few seconds to load this page. So as you can see, this is the page that you can buy this token on it. And here you can type how much you want to buy, like that token, or you can now type the amount that you want to buy for that token like that. If you want to buy 5,000, 5 million token, and here you will be able to find the total that you should pay for that token to be able to buy it. And after that, click on buy CLUDE, and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy CLUDE token. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.